Good day, sir. Ah, yung query number 1 is retrieve all primary products from the database. Yan, sir. Select ako ng P-name, P-size, and P-piece from product. Yun. Next naman yung obtain product set to expire in August. Dito, sir, naglagay ako ng expiration date, which is yung 8 kasi August. Yun lang. Next is yung calculate the total sales from the product cart table including the product name, sir. Yun yung total sales, sir. Tapos sunod yung sales all records sales table group them by date. Yan sila. Then yung last, sir, yung determine the number of entries in the product cart table. Yung entry count, sir, is 11.